Hellcat.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Tonight I'm going to be doing Randonauting again. This time I'm going to use death as my intent. I don't know exactly where we're going to go, what we're going to find, but y'all are coming with me. I see that y'all liked the last video, and thank you for all the new subscribers that subscribed. Thank you for everyone liking and commenting. Thank you for all of your opinions. Thank you for all your tips that you've given me. I do not brush that off. I take into consideration, and I am working on getting a better setup and better lighting for these videos. I know they do suck without better lighting, but I'm working on it. Just hold firm. I'm working on all that. And thank y'all again. Thank y'all so much. But without further ado, without holding y'all up again, let's get right into the video. Alright, guys, as you can see on screen, hopefully it pops up on screen, I'm learning how to record my device without showing it, but recording it on the screen. So I'm trying out this new app. Hopefully it works and it pops up on screen. But as you can see, guys, my intent was death. I'm here. I'm doing void. Anu. Death. Death. Okay. Alright, cool. Alright, we got a location. It's not that far away, but like 29 minutes of walking time. That's not too bad, actually. It's kind of by like where the hospital is at. So we're gonna see where this takes us. Hopefully nothing too crazy. I mean, my intent is death. I'm up for crazy things happening, but we'll see what happens. If you hear anything like I've said in my other videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to like this video and subscribe. I love your support. I thank y'all for all that y'all are doing. Let's continue to do this. Let's reach the top. Let's get it, guys. Let's take over the world. Alright, I'll let you know when we get to the point. Alright, check this out. As that, while going to my point, it's leading me down in a dark alleyway. This is freaky. But we're almost there, like about halfway there. But check it out, guys. Maybe there's something around here that I don't know what that was. Oh yeah, I got a camera too. What's up? That's not even a camera. Just a light for the sensor lights, I guess. I don't know. It's pretty weird, guys, that it wants me to go down an alley instead of a street. Like, why? I don't know. But I'll let you know when we get there. I just got here to the spot. As I was getting here, this car that's going straight that way, he pulls up on me. Doesn't say nothing, just very slowly, and starts just looking at me. Turns around the parking lot and waits there. Now he took off towards the hospital. But if I'm correct, I'm making the turn right now. So hold on. Alright, guys. As you can see, apparently he's leading me into the street, and I'm here. There's a car dealership that's like right here, and then it's like a neighborhood, so a big building. Yeah, this is oddly strange, guys. again. Like, it leads me to weird places. My tent with death. I don't see anything much that goes with my tent. There's like a little house that's right over there. But don't get me wrong, I'm still gonna look around. Bunch of trash everywhere. I'm trying to see if anything sticks out of the ordinary. Something that's just not normal in here. What yeah, see. This is weird. And this one was a 4.38. I mean, it was pretty strong. This car just like watching me. But I'm watching you too. What's up, bro? I'm not seeing too much. What is that? If you know what that is, guys, let me know in the comments. Oh, look at that bunch of spiders. Oh, look at that, guys. I think that's a black widow. Hey man, I know other people say give me a kiss, but no. Oh, that's huge. I'm just making sure there's nothing in here. I can go with my tent. There's some vehicle that's down there. There's an old mattress. A nice beer. I probably shouldn't. Oh, okay, nothing. Don't exactly know what that was, but there was some noises, and then I heard something going. Not you. That scared me a little bit. I don't know, guys. Let's keep looking at this. It's so intense doing this kind of stuff. Just never know what's gonna happen. This place used to be full of cars. I'm not seeing anything. Maybe it's in the dealership, but I can't go in there. I mean, I probably could, but I'd probably get the cops caught on me. Decisions. Gotta make some dumb choices, some weird choices in these videos, playing this game. What the hell is that? It's just a bucket. Maybe it's across the street. I know the distance for the intent of Randonautica. I know when it gives you a location, it can give you pretty far places to go. It's just very weird. Let's go! Batman. I don't see much. Another break place. I'll throw that away. I'm gonna get those two, but there's a little house in here, guys. Check that out. Yeah, I don't. Maybe that's where it wants me to go, but I don't know if there's a way in. I think there is. I'm gonna try going around, guys. Alright, guys, never mind. I did go around. I'm back here right now. All these fences are just filled with barbed wire. So there's no way for me to actually jump up and get in there without maybe hurting myself or tearing up my clothes or something. But that's alright. Maybe there's something in there that I was supposed to see, but there's really no way to actually get in. And it looked like it at first, but that's just in the yard. And there's like a big container that's right here. And this is open way up there. I mean, they probably have stuff in there for their shop, but I do want to get in there. This place right here has a place that the fence is open actually, but there's nothing really here. Look at this cement. Oh, well, that sucks. That's a downer right there. But that's all right, guys. No worries. I don't know. Wish I can get in there. I really want to get in there, but I might not be able to get out, or I might hurt myself in the process of getting in. Might be a little bit easier than getting out. So I might hurt myself in the process of getting out than getting in. I mean, they do have dumpsters and stuff that I probably jump over, but I'm just not gonna take that chance at the moment. We'll just let it be. Who knows? Maybe I missed something while searching around. I don't know, guys. Alright, guys, we're gonna go ahead and start the next point, and hopefully that gives us better results than the barbed wire fence blocking me off. It's such a cock block, I'm telling you. It's supposed to guide me, man, not block me. Alright, guys, I'll see you on the next point. Hey guys, upon reviewing my footage, I saw that on my recording to the second point of Randonautica, it for some reason it does not want to play it got corrupted somehow, some way, so it does not want to play. I want to let y'all know, just so y'all are not confused on why, like, I say, oh, I'm here at the next point, and it doesn't show anything. That's my fault. I'm not sure why it's doing it, but I wanted to let y'all know that it got corrupted. It does not want to work. So I hope y'all. Yeah, here's the second point. I just made it to the other point. As y'all know, my intent was devil, and for some reason it brought me to these they're churches on both sides of me. I don't know why it brought me here after my intent was devil. I don't know why that popped in my mind and why that was my intent, but devil, or the devil, whatever you want to say, however you want to say it. But we're gonna go ahead and check everything out around here and see what we find. It feels nice, and look at the moon. I wish my camera, my phone camera, was that good, but that is nice. It's a full moon tonight. There are cameras around here, so there's a big old bush or a tree. Huh. It's very nice and calm tonight, guys. I hope you're enjoying the content, because I do as much as I can to bring you good content. That is exactly. There's a car coming, so I'm gonna wait. So I'm gonna look around a little bit more. There's a cat running. That kind of scared me. Check more over here too. Randonautica brings you to the weirdest places. I've said this in my other videos. I'm trying to check these bushes to make sure there's like nothing hidden in here. That's a lot of trash. I don't know what that was, but that was a loud, kind of loud sound. Trash. I'm not really seeing much around here. I think I might use the spirit box to see what I can capture. What is this? Like a football. That's a really beat up football. Huh. I don't know if anything's in here, guys. Nothing in there. This is weird. I'm trying to check as many places as I can. Randonautica. I will find out the truth. I will get to the bottom of it. Even if it takes me 100 videos to get there, I will get there. You know, all these places lead up or add up. So even if they're bust, it'll lead you somewhere different. I guess it's just closer to getting to the truth. So we'll see. You just never know. If anyone's played this game, any of my family, and if you're kind of weird like family, you know, subscriber. I don't want to think of you as just as a subscriber. I want to think of you as family. So if you have any Randonautica experiences or anything, let me know. I want to hear your story. I want to know what you experienced, even if you haven't experienced anything yet. And I hope you're not going by yourself, or if you are, be well protected. I got my knife with me, and that's pretty much what I have for now. I'm still working on getting other stuff at the moment. It's taking some time, but I will get it. Nothing over here. Let's check behind here. Someone's clothes. What if there's something in these clothes? I don't want to look through them and there's somebody's. I feel very weird by doing that. There was nothing behind there. Someone's clothes behind it though. I feel weird if I was doing anything else with the clothes. So I won't touch them any more than what I did. If you have any people that are homeless in your city, man, go out there and make a difference and go talk to them. Maybe they need someone to talk to. Maybe they need some clothes. Because, I mean, you just never know. You gotta be out there. Because you never know what they're going through. Just as you're going through some stuff, they're going through some stuff too. And winter's just around the corner. So, get to know them, talk to them. They need some warm clothing. Give them some warm clothing. They need something to eat. Give them something to eat. Some drink. Give them some drink. And don't take them for granted. They're human just like me and you. Alright, guys. What the fuck is that? There's a black bag in there. Let's check it out. Alright. I don't know what exactly is in here, but what's close? Looks like oh, that's cute. I don't know why this is here. What is this? Yo, that's a monkey. Yo, this is creepy, but the stuffed animals are cool at the same time. And there's another one. I think this is a stoner penguin. Oh my gosh. Well, that's pretty neat. Yeah, there's like a bunch of like women's clothing in here. I don't know who this is, but I'm not gonna. I think I'm just gonna put it back because I don't know whose it is. Maybe someone comes and gets clothes, put back their stuff, and takes off. It's sad. You never know. What if it rains? I know it's a plastic bag and it can probably keep it dry, but if it has holes in it and stuff, it's gonna get wet and all the clothes are just gonna be ruined and smelly. Unless someone else left this here for me to find. I don't understand why those are there. Maybe there's something with the dolls. I don't know. I'm gonna grab out the spirit box and I'm gonna put this bag. I'm gonna grab the spirit box, and we're just gonna start playing it and see what we catch. Hey guys. Okay, well, I know I said I was gonna use the spirit box, but for some reason I've been at it for like the past 15 minutes trying to get it to work, but it does not want to work for nothing. I'm sorry that I couldn't use it tonight. I will work on it more. Maybe I need to restart my phone or uninstall it and then reinstall the Spirit Box app, and hopefully it works again. I love y'all for everything I do. I'm gonna cut it right here, guys. This is the end of the video for tonight. I love you and thank you for all the support that y'all give me, and welcome, and thank you to all the new subscribers, to all my new family. Thank y'all. I see that we're growing. I see that y'all are commenting. That is amazing. I'm gonna do my best to comment back to every single one of y'all's comments, no matter how long or how long it takes me, or how many comments there is. I'm gonna do my best to do it. And if I don't answer right away, I'm pretty sure I'm busy doing something at the moment. But when I do see my phone and see that y'all comment, I get on there right away and I read it and I comment back. Thank y'all so much for everything. I love y'all. I hope you have a great night, day, whenever y'all are watching this. I'll see y'all in the next video, guys. Take it easy, fam. Peace.